In this video, I want to go over a couple of other things that are important to set up.
This video is brought to you by OppiPies Academy.
Before you can begin to use your business page and run ads on it. So the first thing is you want to add a button. And depending on what your business is, you can add an appropriate button. For example, it can be to shop with you. Yeah, shop now. And then you can post a link to your website or shop on a specific page. So that's optional. If you just want traffic to your website for people to contact you, that's also optional. To contact you or to book an appointment with you if you're maybe a coach or some kind of like a advisor. So maybe you want to promote your app or play your game. So there's a lot of things that this is the call to action button. So you just want to set it up, and whatever is appropriate for your business, you just go through the steps of setting that up, and you'll have this call to action button, maybe buy now, and that will take people to the sales page. So at least you'll have a chance to generate some extra sales with this button. Also, you see they keep urging you to promote. You see this promote button? You should never promote here because now you know better, because you've got to go through the Facebook Business Manager and then the Ad Manager there. So never fall for this. But what I do want to show you is on the left side here, you have this about area, and that's important to fill out for a couple of reasons. Because you get to enter your website. Your business page is going to be a public page, so the website that you enter, it's actually going to give a tiny boost to your website's Google SEO ranking. Tiny boost. And the more popular and more highly trafficked your business page is, the more that's going to reflect like, oh, a popular page is linking to your website. And so then it's going to give you a bigger boost for your SEO. And you can add other accounts. For example, if you have it, you want to edit about you. This is where you're going to write a short description. The description should be keyword heavy. So for example, if you're a lawyer and people like, let's say lawyer in New York, well, you should definitely say that here, because if people are searching for it, it might come up. So your brand, the type of service, and where it is, if location is important. For some businesses, location is not important if you can service people all over the world. But generally, you should add proper attributes about you so that people can discover you by searching Google. Often, Google pulls information from the About section and lists that even in Google search. Not to mention, it's going to help you rank in Facebook search. Although Facebook search is less commonly used to discover new content, people usually use Facebook search to look things up that they already are aware of. But nevertheless, it's going to help you. And the same thing is here on the right side. Tell your story. Tell people about your business. Tell them why you're in business. What's the passion behind this? And you want to add yourself as a member. And go through this and see what makes sense for you. I mean, here's this ad menu. If you're not a restaurant, you don't need this. But see what makes sense. So you definitely want to add your business details, start date, pretty optional. And then just go through all these and fill them out. And lastly, I just want to kind of quickly get back to this edit other accounts area, because you see you can add account and you can add all kinds of accounts, right? Your Twitter, your Snapchat, YouTube, whatever. So this is for cross promotion. So when people come to your Facebook, maybe they'll see that, and then maybe they'll come to your Twitter and follow you there. So you'll cross populate your audience and have a bigger reach across platforms too, because it's great if people follow you on Facebook, but it's even better if they follow you on Facebook and Twitter, so they'll miss less of your updates. So these are some of the other additional important fields to fill out before you are ready to start running ads for your page.